Hey guys, I'm Sarah Elizabeth. Today's video, I am going to be letting you pack with me. And right now I am currently looking like a rat. It is freezing in my house, so I'm wearing a robe. Underneath I have my PJs and I'm just making some lunch. But I am just buttering tortillas. Well, this one has cheese in it, but I just buttered tortillas and that's what I'm gonna eat. I know that it's not very healthy, but it tastes good. First thing that I have to do before packing is clean this monstrosity of mess that I call my room. Mostly clean. It's not organized, but things are up out of the floor. And I'm going to Colorado. I have never been to Colorado. We're going snow skiing. I'm kind of lost on exactly how much to pack and what thickness I guess I need. Like, I know what I'll wear snow skiing, but like the days that we're not snow skiing, I don't know. I always get so stressed before I start packing. For flying, I have to fit them all into this, which is a pretty big suitcase. I decided that the first thing I'm going to do is pack my carry-on bag. So the most important part of a carry-on bag is the snacks, obviously. So I'm in my pantry and I'm just kind of picking out random things. I don't know if every family has this, but we have like a random candy basket from like old Halloween candy, Christmas candy, literally just like random candy. I might have grabbed too much gum, but I gotta have some for on the way there and back, and I chew gum constantly. I have a piece in my mouth right now. I've been having to take it out whenever I'm talking, but I just left it in this time. Going to add some candy that I had from my room. So for Christmas,
my boyfriend got me this really fancy chocolate. So I'm gonna carry one of those bars, and then he also got me my favorite kind of gummies. These are so good, and so I'm going to pack just a few packs of those. Some chapstick, also from boyfriend for Christmas, and some hand sanitizer. Of course, I've got to carry the iPad.
Tomorrow after I am ready, we're leaving like super early in the morning. After I get ready, I'm going to of course pack my mascara just in case, and I also think I'm going to pack this roll-on Blossom perfume just in case I feel like I'm smelling bad on the plane.
You smell so bad.
And of course, I'm going to pack my AirPods. I'm wearing one so that y'all can hear me better right now, but I do not need to forget these. That would be so bad. I am fixing to expose myself big time. I'm not gonna go into a ton of detail because I don't want to expose myself too much, but I know if you watched my last video, I talked about how much I love The Nightmare Before Christmas, and especially the little Zero dog, the little like ghost dog thingy. And so for Halloween this year, my mom gave me this little dog and it has silk on it, and I just have a thing for silk, and so I'm going to be putting that in my bag. No one judge me, but look how cute. Tell me that's not just the cutest thing. And also I have this little pillow. I literally think it came from Dollar Tree, but it's like perfect little travel sized. So I'm gonna pack that too. No one judge me. So carry-on bag is done. The main thing that I should be packing is this purple jacket. So this is what I'm going to be wearing both days when I'm skiing. I'm also going to be wearing this skiing, obviously. It is so thick. I'm still gonna be freezing though. So I have these two really soft like sweaters, and I think I'm going to wear one of them one day and one of them the other. They're gonna keep me so warm. This thing has an extender and I just unzipped it, thinking that I was opening it, and it didn't open. I am going to be packing, oh that hurts, these socks, 2 pairs of really warm socks, of course 2 little CC hat beanie things, and this little ear thingy. I have been packing for a while now, and my room is like all the way messy again, if not worse. And that's all I've gotten in the suitcase so far. So I took like a really long break just now for like a while for absolutely no reason, but this is about how much I've gotten done so far. Okay, I've been hustling, and it hasn't been that long since I last videoed, and I've gotten everything packed that I am going to wear that's not for skiing, and then I've got everything that I do need for skiing just laid out. I'm just packing my like jewelry, hair stuff. So I have this cute little bag here. It has like a spot for earrings. I'm gonna put my clips in it. I have my necklaces. It doesn't actually hold my necklaces that well. They're all just kind of jumbled up, but it does pretty good. I'm just gotta put these in there, and then I'll be done with clothes. So that's the bulk of it. I'm excited to be done. Not yet, but soon. I think I started packing at like 12, and look what time it is. 3:49. Oh, here is my suitcase. I highly doubt that this is going to zip up, but I'm about to try it. I have a really bad problem of packing too much, and plus like everything that I have to pack is like huge. Okay, I think this is actually gonna work. This is kind of comfy. Also, if y'all didn't notice, if y'all did notice, I did change pants because I decided that the ones I was wearing were warm to wear when I go skiing, so. Okay, this looks promising. Okay. Yes. I did it. I did it. I don't know if that can actually be like that to go into the airport, but we're going with it. Whew. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and wish me luck because I have to be at the airport by 6 and it's 2 hours away, so we're leaving at like 3:50 or 4. So wish me luck, and wish me luck carrying this thing. It's literally so heavy. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and be sure to give me a subscribe. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and be on the lookout for a bunch of shorts that I'm going to be posting, and there will be a vlog coming out of Colorado. So I'll see y'all next week. Bye!